Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course in today's tutorial guys, if you own a LG TV similar to this one, and of course you're getting the no signal issue with whatever input you're trying, whether it be a gaming console, it could be TV, it could be a laptop you're trying to connect via HDMI. This tutorial will show you how to fix this issue quickly on your LG devices. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is to make sure that your device that you want to show up is powered on. Once it's powered on, make sure you check your cables to make sure that they're all the way in or plugged in, both on the device and on the TV. And also check to which HDMI port you're connected to, and you're gonna get your remote. As you can see, this remote here, you're gonna look for the option at the top of the menu there that says try to show you, it's this one. It says input, and you're going to stop. Alright, so once you do, you'll get some options as seen here, and you're gonna see which one of the HDMIs your device is connected to. So go over, maybe it's 1, then you tend to be highlighted when it's plugged in. 2, and simply select each with OK, and 3. So cycle through all 3 until you get a picture on screen to show your device. And once you do, which is to connect to a appropriate HDMI port, what should happen is that the no signal should disappear, and then you should be getting a picture on screen as normal. And of course the no signal simply indicates that the TV is not receiving a signal. For example, no, I'm connected to live TV, which is this option here. However, for copyright issues, I've made sure to be on a channel that has nothing, so that's why I'm seeing no signal. So if I were to change a channel on live TV, it will go to a channel most likely eventually that has a picture. But for now, I just did this intentionally to show you the error, to show you how to fix it in most cases. Alright, to hope this was helpful. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, and bye until next time. Bye.